Okay, let's go through the first part of the Toolbox tutorial. This figure shows 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's 4 small building blocks stacked on top of each other, so we call this tutorial for vertical exercises. Okay, let's take a look at the first step. It's just a single brick, and so let's insert that brick. What brick was it? It was a noise brick. We find it here and drag it to there. Okay, that's a noise brick. It looks like this. Okay, now it says, what is a brick? A brick is one of these small bricks, and they can be moved around. They can be resized, and then can be duplicated by holding down the Option key, and they can be deleted by pressing delete. Okay, that was bricks and the first step. Okay, on to the second step. Insert a text brick. Let's do that. There we have it. Okay, and let's make it bigger. Yes, that was a text brick. Now it says, what is focus? Focus is the small arrow here, and we can move it around by double clicking, and whenever we insert a brick it automatically gains focus. So let's just follow the tutorial. Step 3. Insert a blur brick. We have a blur brick up here, and yes, it says, what are parameters? Parameters are these ones here. You can grab them and slide them from side to side, and it will affect the result immediately. Okay, insert a shadow brick. Let's do that. Okay. What is propagation? Propagation is when we look at the shadow brick and we change something in one of the bricks earlier. That could be changing the noise parameters, or it can be changing the text, writing hello, and we can change the colors, and we can change the colors for the noise brick as well, and we can change the blur so it's more like this. And we can move the focus around. Well, that was part 1 of the tutorial. Thank you.